Hello all, just doing a real quick video on the 16 by 16 inch white microfiber cleaning cloth, and I went ahead and just put it on down so you can be able to see it. I put it over a bowl. It's pretty large, the cloth, it's really large, but the purpose for this video, I wanted to be able to see just how much can this actually absorb. I didn't do the maximum, but just for curiosity, I wanted to know if, for spills and stuff like that, can it handle it? So what I went ahead and did is I have a half a cup of water here, and what I'm planning on doing is I want to see if it can actually absorb all of it. So just for a quick test, I went ahead and poured inside the bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and get the microfiber towel and just put it on in here and see how much it can absorb into it. So I'm going to go ahead and push it on down, and let's see. Yeah, oh wow, look at that. It has totally absorbed it. It probably could do a lot more. Wow, pretty nice, huh? Squeeze it on out. Look at that. That is pretty nice. And still get it all up again. Wow, nice. So you can look at the video and you can make your own judgment on what you think. Thanks so much for watching.